Xiamen Newtop is an all-around enterprise supporting a one-stop service of LSR customization, design, manufacturing for global customers. Our company always adheres to giving premium products and services to various companies, including baby products, housewares, pet products, medical, electronic, industry, etc. Newtop grows with its technological innovation. Our company now has 58 invention patents, and products all reach the national standard with ISO 9001 International Quality System certification, ISO 13485 medical certification, LFGB certification, CPC certification, CE certification, and through factory audits such as SEDEX, SGS, BV, etc. The complete pre-sales and after-sales services meet domestic and global customers' requirements for product and delivery. The LSR products made are widely exported to more than 20 countries around the world, including the United States, Germany, Denmark, Spain, and Russia. At the same time, Newtop actively strengthens industrial chain and extends business to mold design and development. Through years of innovation and development, Newtop has stridden into a comprehensive development stage of diversified product portfolio, multiple fields, and globalized market layout, and have grown into a large-scale integrated high-tech enterprise. Welcome to visit our factory.